Welcome back to Teach Me Something. In today's video, we are going to learn how to control the speed of DC motor using ESP32 and L29 3D motor driver. This is a great project if you want to understand how to manage motor speed in your electronics projects. So, let's get started. Please watch full video to make this project. Choose your board and proper port number. If you do not know the port number, see in Device Manager. Click Upload button to upload program to your board. After uploading, open the serial monitor and choose the correct baud rate which is given program.